I'm back. You know me, man. Chillin'. Got some more boogie shit for you, so check this shit out. Don't get it twisted, cause I be writing them songs. I be after the cash, blame me for that, then you wrong. Like I ain't never held a pound and moved them things out of town. Quit joking, boy, you niggas is clowns. I'm just trying to get where most niggas dream. So if I disappear, don't worry, I ain't gon' ghost on the team. Can I get a toast from my niggas, a celebration? Niggas forever hating on niggas who maintain it. Can't blame them, gotta have something to strive for. It's worth getting into, better be ready to die for it. Vision clear, but my eyes so, cause I've been in grind mode. If it ain't down to business, bet you bitches I'm home. Kick back, chillin' with the house shoes on. Business get done on a new touch phone. Direct deposit my shit, I don't wanna touch nothing. Unless it got an engine, I'll excuse one button. Young boy on something. Yeah. Anyways, that's sneak peek shit again. Fuck with me. Boogie!